Good morning, everybody, and we do have a breakout on the Dow Jones. I'm not entirely convinced of the breakout though, and reason for that is if you look at the oscillators, we are overbought right now, and now if you just draw a line along the top and a line along the bottom, it does look like a bit of a flag, and the flag target is pretty much retesting this area at 37,900. So yeah, I'm not entirely convinced of the breakout at the moment. It is really messy. It was messy last week, and you can see it started getting messy, and then we got this this breakout bar. So nevertheless, it is onwards and upwards. We are going parabolic as well, which is another concern of mine. And oscillators on the 3-hour as well are extremely overbought. So first area would be 38,240, and then just below that around 38,112 for a pullback. So that's kind of the view that I'm looking at the moment. When we drop down to the hour, don't forget to hit that like button. I mean, this is just a suspect day. Look at this, sideways, going nowhere slowly. If we moved up to this 38,240 area and closed there, I would have said, okay, cool. You know, we're trying to get some structure here. But this, you can see how we battled with this area, accumulated, and then accelerated. So I'm not so sure that this was stops on the S&P. It looks very much like stops were triggered. It could be stops in this area, but this looks like somebody that knows something on one of the stocks or what the Feds are doing or something. But anyway, for me, don't really want to get involved up here. If we drop down to 15 minutes, I would consider looking for a buy at 38,240, and then in between 38,240 and 38,112, every one of these tails that you see here could offer the opportunity, and there's a pretty logical one right there, because you can see an attempt at it, support, resistance, breakthrough, resistance, didn't come back to support that. So that is 38,156. So that's kind of the levels I'd be looking at. I really don't want to be jumping in long at where we are now, 38,331. That just doesn't make sense. Everything is oversold at the moment, overbought, at the moment. So I'd want to see a pullback onto structure before looking at this. So this is a sit on hands until we pull back and ease off a little bit before I jump into this. So patience is key, unfortunately. And we are coming up to the end of the month. So have a look at what the bulls are trying here. So you can see a pretty clear 3 bars solid. We're not quite overbought yet on the monthly, and clear upward trend. There's no debate about that. Anyway, that's kind of my view. Wait for the pullbacks and then look for the opportunities to buy. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.